Hey traders, my name's Logan and I love trading. For me to forecast going into Monday, I need to show you how today's charts responded to yesterday's conditions. Yesterday, the bulls failed to buy up liquidity and lost control of the structure of the market. Tension pushed down through zero. And into the close, the bears sold off liquidity. They were perfectly positioned to take control of the structure of the market today. So let me show you how that played out on the charts today, and then I can forecast what I see coming up into Monday. Now, the first chart to look at, as always, is market structure tension. And you could see, look at this, it gapped up in the morning and stayed up all day. That puts us in a bullish trending mindset, and this is day one. In a bullish trending mindset, the market seeks out bulls to see if they can continue to pump the market further bullish. Well, we need to see the constituents through here, so let's start with Decay because this is where most of the action was through the morning. Remember, yesterday the bears were perfectly positioned but immediately lost that in the open right here. Looking for bears, we could see they sold and sold and sold and sold and sold again. They really tried to sell off liquidity today, getting a lot of opportunities until right here where this sell, they failed to sell off liquidity. Well, let's see if they were impacting the broad market at all. Not even a little. They failed miserably to impact the market. So they were selling, but not really doing anything. Now let's take a look at the bulls. There was a deep sample here where it really had to reach to find those buyers. This was a good sample, but it wasn't the one I focused on. There was another sample right here, which is the one I was focused on, where the buyers were able to come and the bulls bought up liquidity. Looking at tension, it should be easy for you to see they were impacting that broad market. The bulls were in control of the market. They were buying liquidity and impacting tension. So as the market moved forward through the day, the bears continued to fail until about here. You'll notice this dipped under. We had a sample of the bulls here and another sample here, and right in between a sample of the bears. So a little bit of back and forth, but this is where things get heated. You see, the bears weren't going to be able to interact with the market unless they could get that foot in the door and push those bulls aside so they could get something going for Monday. Looking at tension, you can see the bears were impacting the broad market. So we can see the bears pushed the bulls out of the way. You see, the bulls did not buy up this liquidity while it was present. And the bears impacted structure. Bears took control into the close. So going into Monday, I expect the behavior to continue. I see the bears focused on taking out this brand new bullish structure on Monday. Now let's get a little contrarian and talk about the other options that are here. If the bulls pick up liquidity and push the bears back out of the way, which you'll have to watch for, this will turn back up and we'll get another day of bullish structure in the market. But that'll only be conditioned on if the bulls can show up again tomorrow or Monday. So going into Monday, I will be bearish. The bears have taken over liquidity again. They push the bulls out of the way. They are getting themselves positioned to try and take down this bullish structure. Now, there's one important thing that I want to point out. The bears didn't sell off the highs. They didn't have risk reduction. They didn't have liquidity. They just sold the lows. So I expect the market to try and offer them a spot to sell at. Remember, being bearish doesn't mean I'm short. It means I'm thinking like a bear. If the opportunities show up, I will try to trade with the bearish trend traders. Now, if you like this kind of analysis and you want to see how it plays out in real time, like for instance, how Monday is going to play out with this analysis, shoot me a message. I would love to invite you to my Discord. There's a room of great traders. It's a great community, and we walk through momentum analysis, and there's lots of different kinds of strategies that get passed around. It's open, it's free, and I want you in my Discord, so shoot me a message already. Thank you so much for watching this video. I put these out every day of the week. My goal is to provide an easy, reliable, accessible narrative for all types of traders every day. I hope it helped you in some way. And as always, good luck trading.